ہاں جی گول ہو گیا ہاں جی
I think we played a very good match. In the beginning we started well, then we were a bit shy. We allowed them to come back in the match. We did some mistakes. We again played traditional hockey, make the things which we don't want to do. Then we changed it in halftime. We went into the structure, we played as we practiced, we do the things we practiced, and then hockey was, suddenly we were dominating the game. Also we scored the goals, the players got confidence. But it's not about the win, it's about that we played well and that we try to do what we train. Practice what we grow, and in the future should be, this whole Holland team is not very complete. So it's something, but it's at least a good game against a good team. And that's how it should be. So I'm very proud of the team. I think that people in Pakistan, if they would have seen the match, they would have enjoyed. It was very beautiful hockey, good hockey play, controlled. So step by step we will grow, and I hope we can be better tomorrow than we are today.